This is Zaber School for Children. You just walk through this vibrant space for learning called Zaber School for Children in Ahmedabad, India. A space that is inclusive and safe, nurturing every child in its care to learn and grow. The story of this school is one that is inspiring as well as fascinating. Just about 5 years ago, this school was amongst the least recognized schools of the city, lost in the maze of many educational institutions with no recall or distinguishing achievements. Then came the turning point when Mr. Ramesh Desai, founder of Zaber International School, stood up and took the onus of bringing a shift in the status quo.
જો યાદ કરવા બેસું તો અમદાવાદની સારામાં સારી સ્કૂલની હરોળમાં મૂકી શકાય તેવી તમામ ફેસિલિટી અમારા સ્કૂલમાં હતી. 90 ક્લાસરૂમ, સારામાં સારું ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચર, શ્રેષ્ઠ વિસ્તારમાં અમારી સ્કૂલ આવેલી છે અને સારામાં સારો પ્લે એરિયા, આ તમામ પ્રકારની સુવિધાઓ હતી. છતાંય અંદરથી કંઈક એવું લાગતું હતું કે કંઈક ખૂટે છે. હું મનમાં માનતો હતો કે પેરેન્ટ્સની અપેક્ષા મુજબની તમામ સુવિધાઓ છે, છતાંય કંઈ ખૂટતું હોય તેવું લાગ્યા કરતું હતું. 3 વર્ષ સ્કૂલ ચલાવ્યા પછી 90 ક્લાસરૂમવાળી સ્કૂલમાં 90 વિદ્યાર્થીઓની સંખ્યા થઈ શકી નહીં. એટલે મને મારા માતા પિતાનું સ્વપ્ન અધૂરું થતું હોય એવું લાગ્યું.
Over the last 2 decades, Udgam Consultancy has become a name synonymous with the rooted approach to school management. Come right in with us and meet the director of Udgam Consultancy, Mr. Manan Choksi.
મનનભાઈને મળ્યા પછી એવું લાગ્યું કે મનનભાઈ જ મારા મિત્ર અને મારા પારદર્શક થઈ શકશે અને તેમની સાથે કામ કરવાની ખૂબ મજા આવશે.
When I visited Zaber International, it was a typical problem which many schools face. Despite having an ideal location, despite having a campus which could not go unnoticed, they had more number of classrooms than the total students they had admitted in the school. There are a lot of challenges of Zaber when we took it over. Prima facie, it seemed that student enrollment was one of the key issues. However, scratching the surface, we found out that getting quality teachers is also one of the big challenges. Eventually, we realized that the brand perception of Zaber was not associated with quality education, and that is where we come into the picture.
At the other end, Ramesh Bhai was looking for a clear and reliable solution. He found Udgam's proposal convincing and handed over the management of school to them. It was not a takeover, rather it was the initiation of a relationship of mutual trust and accountability. While Ramesh Bhai had the ownership of the property and the brand, he now had the ease and comfort of confidently handing over the daily operations to Udgam Consultancy.
તમને ઓપરેશનલ ફ્રીડમ કેટલી આપશો સ્કૂલ ચલાવવા?
તમે તમારા નિર્ણય પ્રમાણે, તમને જે પ્રમાણે ઈચ્છા થાય એ પ્રમાણે, જે ઉદ્ગમનું નામ આટલું આગળ લઈએ એ પ્રમાણે પણ ઝેબરનું નામ લઈ જાઓ અને ઝેબરને એ પ્રમાણે પણ સરસ રીતે કરો. એ રીતે સ્વતંત્રતા સંપૂર્ણ આપવામાં મને વાંધો નથી.
Meet Miss Rujul. She is Ramesh Bhai's daughter and was actively heading the school as head of operations at the time of handover by Udgam Consultancy.
From day one, the professionalism and work ethic of Udgam Consultancy was very much evident in the way they set up their functioning on this premises. And I remember very clearly how Manan Bhai used to visit on a weekly basis, and that too without fail. And gradually the problem areas were narrowed down and they brought in the right minds in terms of manpower. and their proficiency and expertise was seen in every little action that was happening on this premises. And I'm very, very, very grateful, of course, and it was a pleasure working with Udgam Consultancy. It is still a pleasure, and it is still a great learning experience for everybody who is involved.
First thing I noticed was it was quite a contrast to Udgam, where we focused on academics. Zaber had no focus on academics. They were more into activities. There was a lot of teacher attrition, so we didn't have any teacher who had been here for long. So that attitude building and dedication to work, commitment, all this also had to be built.
So that was the challenge for us, to bring them on path with Udgam. First and foremost, I had Amoli with me in Udgam, and when we thought about taking over Zaber, I suggested to Manan that I'd like to shift her there, because she was very well known to our curriculum and the way I worked and how Udgam worked. And Pratima Ben also in that time. We three got together and did the process.
For any CBSE school, it is very important to get the affiliation at the first place. I still remember the day when we had that affiliation inspection going on. The two CBSE principals who had come, and they had made an inspection of each and every aspect of our school. The entire process could be achieved and done only because of the expertise, the help that we got from Udgam. Otherwise, let me tell you, it is a very, very tedious process, and for any new school to achieve that would be a humongous task.
At Udgam Consultancy, our foundation principle is to bring out the best in every child by offering them the right opportunities at the right time. With the backing of over 5 decades of experience in school education, our endeavor is to curate solutions by drawing our tried and tested methods and practices. Let us listen to some of the stakeholders to know more.
Udgam has always been extremely supportive in helping the associate schools to enhance the educational system. We are really blessed to have Radhika ma'am as our English SME. We get to learn so much from ma'am. The interaction, which is extremely enriching and fruitful with the Udgam teachers, that adds to our knowledge and skills. The exchange of ideas along with that of notes and assignments leads to better teaching learning experience. Moreover, our principal and vice principal are seasoned educationists from Udgam. They have been very well chosen to lead, guide, support and inspire us. They are our mentors who provide us with the best working environment where each one of us can flourish. In a nutshell, Udgam empowers each and every team member to attain maximum potential, productivity and organizational success. I am really very happy and proud to be a part of Udgam and Zaber family.
Initially, we used to have traditional methods for teaching like blackboard. Then the smart boards were introduced. With the help of the smart boards, the engagement between the teacher and the student was seen. Due to this, the learning output and the creativity of the child was seen very clearly.
As we know, physical development is as important as cognitive development. After the association with Udgam, we have adequate number of PT periods spaced in the timetable to balance the academic as well as the extracurricular activities. We have a very well trained team of PT teachers, qualified yoga teachers as well as the edu sports. We have a specially designed sports day to instill the value of sports in student and parents, and our students, they participate in national level events too.
હું આ સ્કૂલમાં 2013થી નોકરી કરું છું. ઉદ્ગમના આવ્યા પછી મેં જોયું કે અમારી સ્કૂલ બહુ મોટી થઈ ગઈ છે અને બાળકોની સંખ્યા પણ વધી ગઈ. અમારા માટે બી ફેસિલિટી વધી ગઈ અને અહીં કામ કરવાની મને મજા આવે છે.
સ્કૂલમાં કામ કરવું મને બહુ સારું લાગે છે. મારું પીએફ ફંડ વીમો કપાય છે. આ વર્ષ સ્કૂલ બંધ રહી તો પણ અમને પગાર પૂરો મળ્યો છે. અમને માન સન્માનથી બોલાવું રાખવું અમને એમ એ રીતના રાખતા જ નથી, અમને પોતાના સભ્ય તરીકે જ રાખે છે.
All these marathon efforts and actions taken in the right direction are meaningful only if we see the impact on the users. In our case, our children. Let's hear what they have to say.
So I used to live in Mumbai before I got transferred to Zebar. Back then, I never used to get such platform where I can go and express myself. But when I came to Zebar, I could go and interact with many people through the inter-school competitions. The environment here in Zebar is very competitive, so we focus on academics a lot.
Suddenly, when the doors of physical school were shut down due to this pandemic, I think that our school was the first one to begin with online education. We were given access to Microsoft Teams, which is, I should say, one of the most advanced platforms for virtual meetings. So I am very, very grateful for providing us with the best teaching methods and frequent webinars and virtual trips and all that they could provide.
Zebar provides a lot of opportunities to every student, rather be it sports, academics, anything. In badminton, people from our school have went to the national level as well. My biggest achievement was when I won the state level 600 meter athletic event. It was a really tough race, but I'm very thankful to my school and my teachers.
You just heard what our students feel. We would also love for you to meet our parents, who have been our trusted partners and believers over these years. We value our relationship with our parent body and acknowledge with the gratitude their support in our various endeavors.
We have been associated with Zebar since last 4 years, and over the years we realized that being with Zebar, my child have learned the best academic skills, the moral values, and his physical development has been great.
For me, the aura of the school matters a lot. Because majority of the day of the child is spent at the school. I am glad that school is taking good care of the student, safety of the students, and medical facilities are good. Cleanliness, hygiene, all these things are taken into consideration, and I feel very happy whenever my daughter is coming to school. I feel relaxed.
Due to the trust that we have from the market and from overall educational sector, Udgam is a big brand, and Zebar is run by Udgam Consultancy. So we thought that this is the platform we should really put our kids in, and the other factors that really mattered were the overall education, the co-curricular activities, the basic fundamentals, and also the level of teaching, which we've heard from my friends and colleagues whose children are in Udgam. So we really thought that this is where I want my kids to be.
It is an absolute delight to listen to these words of appreciation from parents. Here, we have to acknowledge strategic measures taken by Udgam Consultancy at regular intervals. Deliberate promotional actions, such as organizing public events to generate footfalls, running advertisement campaigns through the medium that matter, keeping the buzz alive through indirect paths, and building a professional online presence ultimately helped to form the brand perception. Rebranding the name of the school proved to be the icing on the cake. With this move, people immediately associated Zebar with the Udgam group. Allow us to throw some numbers here. This is our student strength that has grown up beyond 2,800, showing the increment of 35 times in just 5 years. Take a look at our year-on-year data that kept rising. Whether it is number of inquiries, number of students, and number of staff members, we have scaled up in every manner. Now Zebar is a self-sustaining organization with 100% board results and achieved recognition from every corner of the world. Zebar School for Children is now the youngest school to be among the top 10 CBSE day schools in the city of Ahmedabad.
One of the key factors of Zebar's success story is Ramesh Bhai's trust and faith in the Udgam consultancy and its team member. He has never objected any decision taken by Udgam consultancy, rather he has supported and encouraged. So most important thing was there was no hindrance from trustee side. He always supported all the decision, and that inspired the team to take bold decision to make Zaber more successful.
People are asking us questions about Zaber School for Children. So I would definitely recommend Udgam Consultancy to anybody who is facing issues with an educational organization, I would say.
We are very happy that we took up this challenge of managing Zaber 5 years ago, and today the results have been very encouraging and they are way beyond expectation.
5 વર્ષ પછી મને ખૂબ સંતોષકારક લાગે છે. મારા માતા પિતાનું સ્વપ્ન પૂરું થતું હોય તેવું મને લાગે છે.